I came across this unique old table, but the drawer was just a mess, and the bottom was nailed to the frame, and so it took a bit of work with a block of wood hammering to get it out. But I did succeed, finally, a lot of elbow grease. So I had a frame. Then I needed to clear my workspace. And I'm in this tiny kitchen in the middle of renovation. And so cooking is an unusual experience, which I'll be glad to show you later. But for now, here's my table. This, as you can see, the slides out easily, but the drawer, just the frame of the drawer, just trying to see how easily it will go in and out. It will go in, but it's a little stubborn. It's sticking, needs some work. So I brought it out, and I had cut this piece of 1/8 inch plywood with a veneer coat on it to, oh no, not quite. Oh, that's too big. Yeah, I'm going to have to trim it. So I came out to my Craig's table saw is going to be the answer. There it is. And this has a plunge saw, which I find very easy to work with. So there's my trimmed. And I had, oh my gosh, there's staples still in here. So they were tiny little staples. And it took a bit to, a little bit of elbow grease there to get all those out. But I finally got everyone out. And it slides right in. A little bit of a stick there. What's the problem? Well, obviously, I need to sand these sides. Well, a bit of elbow grease again. Oh, my elbows are really going to get some wear. And clean up. Got to keep a clean workspace. Here's my Dremel. I'm going to use that to clear these pathways where the bottom is going to slide in. We're still stuck a little, but the Dremel does its job, and there it goes in. Now, I have another little, unplug the Dremel because we don't want anything dangerous in the work area. So I was looking at this top. I wish I got this. Well, clean this. Obviously, it needs to be cleaned. Use vinegar and water and a little bit of Dawn. And okay, good enough. Slide that baby in there. It goes right in. But I've got this piece at the end. No, door slides in. I've got to get rid of this little top piece here. Back out to the saw, come back in, slides in. Okay, slides in the drawer, everything's smooth. Now what? More sand, because we want this drawer to slide into the tabletop smoothly. I'm going to put the silverware in there at some point. And I want it to be an easy slide in and out, so don't want any rough edges. Sliding better. Take the tabletop off, and you can see the workings underneath of the leaves. But when I slide the drawer in, I can see where, okay, here's some boiled linseed oil that we can rub on every place that's going to slide. And might as well clean this up while I'm at it. I don't know what that material is on the top, but I like it, that white. And so table fits back in there pretty good. And now the table slides in there, or the drawer slides in really good. So what's left?